dinner with Innichka chef. Welcome to my kitchen. It's a spring outside. Birds are singing, it's beautiful green. It's lovely. And we are getting ready for Easter. And most favorite recipe that I make is some big piece of meat roast. And today it's lamb. Leg of lamb. Look at this beautiful, with a bone, by the way, leg of lamb. It's gorgeous. Has plenty of fat, which is give us flavor. We'll trim a little bit, just to not have too much, because lamb fat has very low smoke point, and when we cook in high temperature in oven, it can burn and will smoke, create a smoke. We don't want that. So we'll trim, and plus the lamb fat gives that gaminess flavor, which is many people don't like and afraid of eating lamb for that matter. So we'll trim a little bit. And besides the lamb, we use plenty of garlic, herbs, and I have cilantro, parsley, and classic with lamb combination. It's beautiful rosemary. So we're going to make this as a paste and apply infused inside and rub outside. And will help us to do that olive oil and Dijon mustard, have beautiful mustard. Also, just to get more freshness and more light up the flavor of gaminess, it will be lemon. We'll use some lemon as well. For more umami flavor, we'll add a little bit of Parmesan and plenty, of course, salt and freshly ground black pepper. I always use freshly ground, and I just grind this morning. Make sure you washed and paper towel used to dry the meat. So now it's nice and dry almost, and we get rid of it, this kind of fat. We don't want that. Little fat obviously will keep, but most we'll get rid of. Okay, now we're making the paste, and for paste we're using very easy. We're using food processor, actually blender. Some rosemary. I think one is enough. Lots of infused with lots of flavor. Close to the cup. Add a little bit of olive oil, like 1 tablespoon, and some Parmesan, and some Dijon mustard. 1 tablespoon. Some salt. I have here 5 pounds, so we need few teaspoons of salt. Also some pepper. I would do like 2 teaspoons of peppers. Add a little bit more olive oil and keep working. Any meat you can apply this paste will taste great. So what now I'm going to do, create like little pockets through the meat and apply inside. Look, with the same knife I'm using, or you can use little pear knife and make like little pockets. And just put inside. Around bone as well, it's important. And try to put inside this paste, this delicious paste. As deep as you can. You see, like here, already pocket. Alright. Just with lemon, kind of try to squeeze a little bit of juice and rub around. And the last but not least, it's a salt and pepper. And pepper. And now it's ready for the final thing. Cook in the oven. Try to find the side where the most fat still exploding. You can see them more on this side, so that's what goes up. and place on preheated oven for 375. Some people do higher, but I found too high, it creates smoke. So 375 is just perfect, and we're going to cook for 30 minutes, then we'll low temperature and we'll continue cooking until you like it. And I like medium rare, up to you. So here it goes. After 30 minutes pass, you see how nice brown, beautiful color caramelization going on? And now we change into 350. After we lower the temperature to 350, we are cooking meat probably for another hour or so. We'll see, sometimes it takes 45 minutes, depends how big you like and depends how you like to eat. So up to you. I'm looking forward to see 125 temperature, and as soon as it's reached, we'll let meat rest, and believe it will still continue to cook a little bit more while it's resting, and probably will bring for another 5-degree temperature. So it's important to not overcook. You have to rest it. You have to let relax. Because we want juicy, we don't want to lose all the juice and all the paste we infused inside, all the flavor. My mouth is watering. I'm ready so much to eat this meat, but let's rest and come back in 20 minutes and I want to slice and curve and show you how it looks inside. You can hear the crunch. Oh yes. Oh yes. The first piece in. Oh yeah. It's so good. It's so yummy, soft, melting in your mouth, tender. You cannot taste any gaminess. It's infused with garlic, herbs, lemon. Has so much flavor. It's delicious. I hope I convinced you to make this leg of lamb for your friends, for your family, and enjoy. I hope you give me a like and subscribe. Bye. See you next time.